Duol mochung' rito lee mag bunge pacho ka KWS dhi mbele gi chenro mar kawo pach oganda e tunge duto ma pacho ka e wi ondamo ma gigeto kawo ma timo lokruok n'omenda michulo e kinde timo limbe e kuonde ma idage lee mag bunge. Chenro no bagi e gwenge ma Watamu e kaunti ma Kilifi ka gigeto bago chenro maketgi mano e kauntis mamoko 20 kaka yo mar dino fuok mar omenda bilion 12 madwarore e sekta mar rito lee mag bungu e hik omenda 2024-2025. KWS nochoko omenda maromo bilion 7.92 ma en omenda matin ne bilion 19 mane gigeto choko e hik omenda mokalo.
We have been in the coast region since Tuesday, and today we are here in Watamu, and we thank our stakeholders in Watamu. They have given us their feedback, they have given their proposals, and they have also raised their concerns that upon reviewing these conservation fees, they want to see that that money should translate to better services in our national or in our marine parks, better infrastructural development in our marine parks, and they have equally given concerns that as Kenya Wildlife Service, we should also think about the corporate social responsibility in terms of supporting the communities who are neighboring our conservation areas.
Hizi park fees zimekaa bila kuwa revived for almost 18 years. Ambapo sasa hata unakuta 18 years back maisha yalikuwa tofauti, yalikuwa chini na yamepanda, lakini hizi fees hazikuwa zinapandishwa. Lakini sasa imekuwa ni lazima kwa sababu hata hali ya maisha imepanda.
Tumeunga mkono mipangilio yao kwa sababu kweli ni kwamba pasipo pesa maisha hayawezi kuenda. Isipokuwa wamekuja na proposals zao na sisi tumewapatia proposals zetu.